Have you been gifted a Christmas cactus and you're wondering how to care for it? Thankfully, this plant isn't demanding when it comes to their care. Nevertheless, today at the Daily Eco, we're going to explain how to care for your Christmas cactus so that your plant is thriving. Let's get started. Ideal temperature. The Christmas cactus is native to tropical areas, so its ideal temperature is between 15 and 22 degrees Celsius. However, this plant can also withstand low temperatures quite well. Nevertheless, we should avoid this as it will still cause harm to our plants. Adequate light. This cactus needs outside light to survive, so it's best to have it in a well-lit place where it will receive enough sunshine. Still, too much sun can seriously damage our plant when it comes to growing and flowering. Therefore, if you have it indoors, we recommend that you put it near a window but not too close to it. And if you have it outdoors, place it in a semi-shady area. Irrigation frequency. When it comes to watering your cactus, you will have to water them moderately, without overdoing it. During summer, we recommend you water your cactus every 2 to 3 days, allowing the substrate to dry completely every 2 waterings. And in winter, we recommend you water it approximately every 2 weeks, letting it dry in all the waterings. In addition, it's important that you never water the flowers directly and that you use soft water. Before we continue, we're going to put you to the test. Why do you think this plant is called a Christmas cactus? Is it A, because of the color of its flowers, B, because it blooms at Christmas time, or C, because it's a typical Christmas gift? The correct answer is B. The Christmas cactus is known by this name because it blooms in winter, right around the Christmas holidays. Christmas cactus transplant. If you decide to transplant your Christmas cactus, we advise you to do it during the spring months and every 2 years. When doing so, it's important to use a larger and wider pot so your cactus can grow without any issues. Recommended substrates. The most suitable soil for the Christmas cactus is one that drains very well, since it needs water but will suffer damage if flooded with water. For this reason, we recommend that you opt for a special substrate for cacti and succulents. Most suitable fertilizer. In addition to good drainage, the Christmas cactus needs a lot of organic matter to achieve good flowering during the winter months. Therefore, when it comes to getting the fertilizer, we recommend that you go to a specialized store to find one that allows your cactus to develop and grow perfectly. Although you can also make homemade organic compost. If you take into account all these easy and simple care tips, you will have a healthy and thriving Christmas cactus with beautiful flowers. We hope you've enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.